Hello everybody. Today we will learn how to make our server-side program in PHP, and with the help of this program we will try to get the remote address of our server. This is a very small program but can be very useful for knowing the server details. So I'll start as usual. I'll start my PHP tag and I'll end this tag with question mark and greater than sign. Now once I have done, I will put my comment, my program to get remote server address and name. So what I will do for this, I will start with a variable. Say I'll put this variable is I'll put this variable name is as remote. I'll use it as remote, and then I can use a function get host by address. So then what I need to put here, I need to pass a global variable to this, and with the help of this global variable I will be able to extract information of remote address. So my global variable for server is $server, and then it is taking one input, and that is remote address, and then address. Then you can close this over, and then if you want to know the server name, you can put that also, although that is giving you all that, but host name can also be extracted from here with the server name. You can put it as serve. This variable you can take as serve, and now you can, with the help of this global variable server, and then you can again take the parameter for this, that is server name. So it will be giving you server name, and then you can close it and terminate it. Now once you have done this, you can print these two variables with the echo command. So I will start my echo command. Echo command is normally used as a print command. So echo remote server, web server address and name. So with this I can print this variable, and that variable is $remote, and you can terminate it. Then after that, another line you need to put out for printing your my server name, and then again you can do the same thing. Here I'll have to use single operator. Then you need to put serve. So it is giving you server name, and then after this you can run it. Firstly you need to save it, please, because this program is to run on server. So keep in mind that you will have to run it from the browser, so that it will be calling your server, and then server will reflect these answers, these values in your server. So I have taken variable correctly. Serve is there, remote is okay, server name is okay, remote address is okay, get host by ADR, we are using the function here. So now I can run this program, but how I will run? First of all, I will save it. I will have to save it, and once I have saved it, then I will have to go to my web browser, and then I can open my web browser, and in the web browser I can give it remote address, showing you address like this. Host name will come something like this, and your address of the server and remote address will come like this. So it is getting executed, but keep in mind that this everything whatsoever is being done, it will be done from your web browser. So with this I will be ending this program. Thank you very much for seeing it. So keep in mind, it's a server side programming, so all the time you have to keep you have to use server side files, like in this case I am using PHP. So with this my program is over. Thank you very much. Please.